I'm teaching you exactly how to read one word at a time. Today we are working on this word. We're going to start by figuring out what those vowels say, because if you can read the vowels, you can read the word. First, you have to know what vowels are. Vowels are a sound that is not stopped by your tongue, lips, or teeth. It's just a sustained sound. The letters that create those vowel sounds are A, E, I, O, and U, and Y when it is not the first letter. So we're going to identify the vowels, figure out what sounds they make, and then blend this word. The first vowel is this A. A changes to the schwa sound, which is represented by an upside down E when it is the first letter, and there's another vowel 2 letters away. So this A says This E must be seen as a unit with that R. That ER grapheme says R. The sound of this I is going to be determined by what I call the tap 2 rule, which is if there is another vowel in the next 1 or 2 spots, then the first vowel that you are on will probably say its name or make its long sound. If not, if the next 2 letters are consonants, or if it's a consonant and a space, then that vowel that you are on will probably make its short sound. So this I is going to say I, represented by a brev symbol. Now let's take a look at these 2 C's. C can make 2 sounds. Its hard sound, k, and its soft sound, s. But you don't have to guess which one it's going to say. You just have to look at the very next letter. If the very next letter is an E, I, or Y, then that C will make its soft sound, s, as in this one right here. So this C, because there's an E, I, or Y after it, it's going to make its soft sound and say s. This C does not have an E, I, or Y right after it. There's nothing after it. So it's going to make its normal hard sound, k. So now that we know exactly what is happening inside this word, we're going to dot each sound. The sounds are s, b, I, k. Then we're going to connect the dots very slowly, all in one breath. The line represents the sound. The sound doesn't stop and the line doesn't stop. We're going to push those sounds together. It will sound like this. ACERBIC. ACERBIC. Now I would love for you to do 3 things. First, if you know what ACERBIC means, please put it in the comments for the rest of us. Second, if you want to know how to read another word, put that in the comments for me as well. And third, if you want to learn how to read 100 of these kinds of words, then I invite you to join me in my adult reading class. That information is in my profile. I'll see you in the next video.